Bonjour, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Umut from Tumu Learning. Welcome to French Conversation 101 video series. In this lesson, I will teach you how to talk about what you like and dislike in French. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So if you are ready, let's get into it. Let's get started. Moi, j'aime le café. Moi, j'aime le café. To say what we like, we use the verb aimer. Okay, so j'aime, it's how we conjugate the verb aimer with je. Okay, j'aime, le café. So after j'aime, you put what you like. Okay, so here is le café. It might be la musique, le théâtre, le sport. Okay, j'aime la musique, j'aime le théâtre, j'aime le sport. Et toi, tu aimes le café? Et toi, tu aimes le café? So how do we answer this question? If someone asks us, do you like coffee? How do we answer that in French? So actually we have many options. You can say j'aime le café. J'aime le café, of course. You can say j'aime bien le café. J'aime bien le café. Or you can say j'aime beaucoup le café. J'aime beaucoup le café. Or if you like it a lot, you can say j'adore le café. J'adore le café. Okay, so let's practice. J'aime le café. J'aime bien le café. J'aime beaucoup le café. J'adore le café. What do you say if you don't like coffee? I personally love coffee, but maybe you don't like it and you wanna say you don't like coffee. You can say je n'aime pas le café, or je n'aime pas beaucoup le café. Je n'aime pas beaucoup le café. You can say je n'aime pas du tout le café. Je n'aime pas du tout le café. Or maybe you hate the coffee. You can say je déteste le café. Je déteste le café. Okay, so let's repeat. Je n'aime pas le café. Je n'aime pas beaucoup le café. Je n'aime pas du tout le café. Je déteste le café. Je déteste le café. Now I will introduce you ne pas. That's how we make negative sentences with ne pas in French, okay? So let's see how we use it. What you do, you take ne pas and you put the verb between ne pas, okay? So it's like a hamburger. You can say je ne, okay? Je ne. So ne comes just after je, okay? And then the verb am, for example. So here we need to do a contraction. So because we don't like two vowels in French. So we take off E and then we put an apostrophe. So we say je n'aime, okay? Je n'aime pas le café, okay? So pas comes after am, aimer, okay? Je n'aime pas, and then you put what you don't like. Je n'aime pas le café. Or another example, we say, for example, je comprends, right? To say we understand, je comprends. If we want to say we don't understand, we say je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. So again, the verb goes between ne pas. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. It's always useful to practice these sentences over and over again. So if you go back and practice some part of this lesson, that will be very helpful for you. I also love to know if you are a coffee person or tea person. So let me know in comments. Tu aimes le café? Tu aimes le thé? As always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you would like to continue with me, you might like one of these videos right here. Merci et à la prochaine!